You ain't like that?
Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the ground.
Waves, it's Deme B, and welcome to my channel where I drop travel and food gems every week. I'm currently in Atlanta, Georgia, and I had the crazy idea to do a 36-hour pre-birthday girls trip. So check it out. Since we were here such a short time, I wanted something that was centrally located to all of the events that we were going to. And if we decided to stay in and not go out, I wanted to have the option of having an amazing hotel that had gorgeous backdrop for all our photos and everything. Starling in Midtown Atlanta was just that, and it was close to the metro station, just 2 blocks away. This is a Hilton property, but it was formerly a W hotel, so it has all the amazing decor that the W hotels are known for, but at a fraction of the price. You can find rates for under $200 for some nights here. If you're here on the weekend, say a Friday or Saturday night between 8 and 10, they have a live DJ playing all of your greatest hits. I did get to try the food while I was here. I had a burger and fries. The burger was one of the best burgers I've had on vacation, except for the one I had in Fort Lauderdale and Cabo, but it was really good. The girls tried their wings, and they said their food was good as well. This hotel has a lot of different rooms and pockets and floors and bars that if you really want a little hideaway, you'll find it here. We also arrived pretty early, around 8 a.m., and we were expecting to just leave our bags and start our day, but they had our rooms ready for us. They upgraded us from the 5th floor to the 20th floor, but I'm going to let you know now, we didn't really have an amazing view, but I do like a high floor. I was just impressed that they were able to have all 3 of our rooms ready there early in the morning, and we didn't have to wait for check-in time. The room that I'm going to be sharing with you today is room 2017, and it's a treetop king. Now, before booking this hotel, I was a little leery because I read the reviews and they were mixed, and I just want to say now that I had an amazing experience. I don't have one complaint. My room was clean, the food was amazing, and the service was good. Checks all across the board. This room is listed as 385 square feet. It has its own little seating area, and it has floor-to-ceiling windows. They provide you with all the standard amenities, an iron board, a safe. The bathroom was decorated really pretty. It only has a shower, so if you're a bath girl while on vacation, this is not going to be the hotel room for you. And that sucks for me because I'm a sucker for a good soaking tub. But I only had 36 hours, so I wouldn't have been able to make it work anyway. If I had to describe the decor in the hotel room, I would say that it's glam, mid-century, modern. I love the large windows that they had, but I just wish I had a better view. You really just get a view of the skyline and buildings and on top of another building. Nothing fancy. But for such a small room, it had a lot of space. I love the little cute sitting area there. They had a nice flat screen TV with a desk, so it had everything that you would need. You gotta have the floor-to-ceiling mirror for the girls. We need to do outfit check. The bedding was plush, and at the night of partying, I slept like a baby. I hope you enjoyed this room/hotel tour, and if you have any other questions regarding the Sterling Hotel Midtown Curio Collection by Hilton, you can drop them down below. Happy traveling!